Guys, how are you doing? I'm so happy to be here. It's been a very long time I shot, okay, not very long, but it's been a while I shot a sit down video. So being here again on your screens is giving me, so much joy. And like you know from my thumbnail, I am going to be unboxing this beauty, a camera that I just got, the Sony ZV-1. I mean, popularly known as a vlogging kit, a vlogging camera. I just copped that and added it to my collection and to my gears that I used to vlog and all of that. Before now, I used to primarily use my iPhone 13 Pro to shoot. It has been doing a great job, of course. Kudos to my iPhone 13 Pro. It's doing a great job, but there obviously a couple of challenges I've encountered while shooting with that. And I decided that, you know what, let's upgrade, let's get something better, something that will deliver better. And after doing my research, I came to, the Sony ZV-1. So I decided to do an unboxing video today. I got the Sony ZV-1. And I also got the stabilizer, the stand. Like you just saw now, one of the amazing things about this camera is the fact that it can focus and defocus. So like you see that as I was showing you this, it took the focus away from me and brought the focus to these beauties here. So this is what it looks like. That's what it looks like, and it's really handy. I think that's the major selling point, if you ask me. The fact that you can slip it into your breast pocket, or you can just get into any place unnoticed with this camera. I think that in itself is great. Then you can also slip it into your little, for us that carry little small bags, you can slip it into such bags. And even this stabilizer, this also, this also fits into your bag, because of course if you're holding it, you need something that will help you hold it stable so that your shots are not shaky. That's another selling point. One other great thing I like about it is its versatility. It's easy for you to move files around on this particular camera. Like you can transfer directly from your phone, rather from the camera to your phone. So just like Bluetooth, you just like make you take a shot. Maybe you want to take shots for other social networks. You can transfer from this camera straight to your phone, which makes it easy for you to quickly shoot content for TikTok, for Instagram Reels, to shoot portrait content. I understand that when you're shooting longer videos, like videos for YouTube and other kinds of videos that you might be shooting with your Sony ZV-1, you might have the time to still take your time, transfer to your computer, and do what you need to do. But when you're on the go and you want to shoot content and just churn out content as fast as possible, you can do that easily by easily moving content straight from here to your phone or to your computer. So it is giving what it should give. What else is really great about it? I think I talked about the fact that it is handy. Then let's talk about the audio. The audio too is great. Like right now I'm shooting this video without using an added audio, right? I don't have a mic or anything. I'm using the audio directly from the camera, and it's serving. When I do the unboxing, you will see the camera up close. But this camera has like a muffler that they use to cover the audio part, so that when you're shooting outside, so like maybe in a really windy place, it keeps the sound of the wind away. So it has vloggers in mind. This camera has vloggers in mind. Yeah, so that's that about that. I mean, I've tested the quality of this in so many scenarios, and I figured that it's really giving me what I needed to give, because you can shoot a lot at night also with this camera. It picks things even when it's quite dark, and I think that's a plus. I remember that you can also shoot pictures with this camera, which makes it a great one. Yeah, so I mean, it's a great find, and I'm so excited to be starting this journey with this camera. I'm so excited to create content with this camera. So if you were considering, or you're thinking, or you're looking to get an additional camera to help you churn out content, I mean, by all means you could get the Sony ZV-1. Remember that you can also always shoot content with your phone. You don't have to have a camera. Remember that. Don't be pressured to get what you don't need right now, or what you cannot afford at this point. You can start to shoot content with your iPhone or some other Androids. Yeah, so just thought to put that out there, because I am perfectly fine shooting with my phone. I just decided to upgrade to this for two reasons actually. Number one, the space on my phone. Like, I've paid for iCloud and all that, but I still have some challenge in my with the content on my but saving content on my phone, because truly sometimes I shoot content now that I'm not ready to release in another 1 year, right? I'm just shooting them now. I remember that there'll be a lot of clips of that content, so where do I keep all those files? So that's really been messy for me, trying to, you know, move files from here to here. And in short, I've had issues where I've lost one or two videos, you know, 1 or 2 videos for my vlogs, and that has really been a challenge for me. So I decided that, you know what, I'd rather shoot with this so that I can organize my assets. You know, once I start taking shots for a particular video, I can begin to save them up on my computer, and you know, by the time I'm ready to churn on my video, there's no bother, there's no hassle. I remember that my mobile phone is still my phone. I still need it for my day-to-day activities aside vlogging, because vlogging is always not the only thing I do, right? So space was primarily an issue for me. My iPhone is a 128 gig phone, which is large, right? However, you know, I take a lot of pictures and all of that, so I decided to, you know, cut myself this camera so that I can easily navigate and have enough space, storage to keep stuff. Yeah, I also got a memory card, which you obviously need. You cannot even use this camera without a memory card. I got a memory card, this is 4 gig memory card, where, you know, as I shoot content, from my camera, I just take them and dump them on my computer, right? And of course, on my computer, I can also take them to my hard drive. So I'm just like, I now have like a great channel for me. So I'm not limited now when it comes to shooting my content. I have as much space as possible. I can do and undo, because you know what, we are on the content creation channel. So I hope, I mean, you enjoyed like the unboxing. I just, you know, showed you guys what the pack looks like. I showed you guys, I opened it, brought out every element just to show you what exactly my box was, right? And this camera comes 1 year warranty, so no issues. Any issues, Sony will obviously hear from me, right? So that's what's up. Thanks so much for watching. And again, remember, if you are still watching to this point and you are not subscribed, guys, please, right, subscribe to my channel. I share content, my lifestyle, you know, my work, my family, my faith, you know, things like that. I just want to share my journey with the world. That's what I do here basically. Thank you so much for watching, and enjoy the rest of the video. you so much for watching, and yes, thank you so much for watching. So excited to continue my vlogging journey with this Sony ZV-1. Looking forward to adding members to my family, my YouTube family. Remember, if you are not subscribed, please do subscribe to this channel. I mean, it helps the algorithm of this channel and helps other people to see my videos and helps me to get more subscribers, which of course motivates me to continue to share videos, right? So thanks so much for watching. To-dos, to-do-do.